Welcome back to the Dune Hippie Machine channel. Today I've got a install video on my Dune Hippie Machine D44 hub cover kit. If you are looking at this kit and want to know how it works, or if you've already bought the kit and you're looking for how to install it, then this video is for you. If not, this video is still for you. Just keep watching anyways, because it just helps out my channel and helps me out. So what you get when you buy the kit is you'll get two of everything. This is the cover. This is 6061 aluminum, machined here in the shop on the Fidal VMC that I have. I'm gonna have another video coming out actually on these, going all the way through the CAD design, programming I'm running, all that coming out. So if you're more interested in the manufacturing side of things and how they get made, we got something coming there. But for now, you get two of those. You'll get two O-rings, two steel backing plates. These backing plates are steel because they are threaded. These holes are drilled and tapped, 1/4 20. The reason there's 6 holes in there versus 3 in the cover is just to give another set of holes. If for whatever reason these get over tightened and get stripped, you have a second set of these to learn from the mistakes of they don't need to be that tight and you still don't need a replacement. Then they also come with 2 C-clips, and then as well as 6 stainless steel 1/4 20 machine screws. So to install this kit, you're going to be installing it on a 4-wheel drive hub, a hub that was originally using a lockout. So for this example, we have the I-beam Chevy in here that has the Dune Hippie Machine I-beam kit on it. On this truck, we are using, what are these? Solid Industries is the company out of Ohio that makes these. This is a big bearing Dana 44 Chevy 6x6.5 aftermarket hub. It is still splined and grooved to be used on a 4-wheel drive application, but for most applications using beams that aren't 4-wheel drive, they're going to be using a hub like this, and Dana 44 is a pretty common hub, and then you're going to need to end up with a cover. I've seen anything from duct tape, running wide open, beer cans, all sorts of stuff people put on these things. Which ultimately, your wheel bearings are in there, and then water gets in there, sand gets in there, eats those up. You're changing those all the time. On my personal C10 that I haven't changed the Dana 44 wheel bearings in that truck in 6 years. It's running the same set, and I've never had a problem. But I have a different cover, one that I originally machined, but now this is a product that is for sale and purchase. So I'm going to be installing these on my truck and running them through here on now. My old traditional design didn't have an O-ring, and I would right stuff it every time with a gasket maker and install it, and then it was always a mess with a screwdriver to pry it out. And that's what this kit is for. It's for solving all those things. Been there, done that. It's a big common problem in this thing. So anyways, let's get to installing them. To install them, all you're going to do is take this backing plate, insert it in there. I'm just paying attention to my hole orientation a little bit because I want to have my logo standing up. The tire's got a little camber, so it's going to want to fall. So you take your C-clip, take my pliers. I'm going to have to hold that in there a little bit. But clamp that. There we go. Install the C-clip. I actually went past the groove on that side, so there we go. That's installed now. Take the O-ring and the cover. So now for the tolerance for the O-ring, I made it quite a tight fit. I really wanted a good seal on there for water. Make sure our machine sealing surface is all clean of debris. And it's going to be, now I want to line up my holes as well with the thread so I don't have to spin this thing very much. But it is going to be a pretty firm press to get the O-ring to seat and go into the hub. And that was by design. So you're gonna see me struggle a little bit. There we go. So it's a pretty firm press. And then I'm gonna just kind of finger start this first one. There we go. We'll need a 3/16 Allen. And then I just like to throw all of these in there. Get them all started, and then go back through and actually snug them up. And now they don't need to be reefed on. they're only holding the cap really in there to the back retaining plate. So now that hub cover and that first plate in there are sandwiching the C-clip that was put in, and then that O-ring is now sealed to the inside surface of the hub. We'll go ahead and bring the camera up here and give you a little close-up. And you can see the hub on there with these screws and see kind of how it looks like. So throw that back in there. Thanks for coming to the Dune Hippie channel. If you've already bought the product or if you're thinking about buying it, I appreciate you. Even if you haven't bought the product and you just watch this video, I also appreciate that. If you want to do more for the channel, like, subscribe, all that stuff helps. We'll catch you next time. See you on the sand. Peace.